Good old South African patriot here. I do apologize for the light. So, my last video I made about gun free South Africa, and the rationale about that just doesn't work for people in South Africa. So I want to explain to you. Let's say, for argument's sake, somebody breaks into my house and I have to phone the police. Let's say I have an opportunity to phone the police. If I'm lucky, if I am extremely lucky, they would possibly arrive in the next 5 hours. Okay? That Let me put it this to you. We had an incident in the beginning of this year. It took the South African Police Service 5 months. 5 months. And this is a minor incident. 5 months to get here. Okay? That is after I phoned him and I told him, and I phoned the station commander and I told him, you need to get here. Need to get your detectives here and you need to resolve the issue. 5 months. And you want to tell me that I'm not allowed to protect myself and it's a privilege. It will become a privilege to own a Section 13 firearm in South Africa. You are smoking your socks. That's all I want to say. Please like, share, and subscribe. And keep one in the chamber. God bless.